is the clause number 4, which is about the context of the organization. एक बहुत बड़ा बदलाव जो ISO 2015 वर्जन में आया was that सारे मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम्स को अपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के कॉन्टेक्स्ट के विषय में डॉक्यूमेंटेशन प्रिपेयर करना पड़ा. Clause 4.1 talks about understanding the organization in its context. It reads, the organization shall determine external and internal issues that are relevant to its purpose and the strategic direction and that affect its ability to achieve the intended result of its quality management system. दो तीन important चीजें. Mandatory document जब भी ISO आपसे डिमांड करेगा एक टर्म इस्तेमाल होगा documented information. Let's go back and read it. It says the organization shall determine. Documented नहीं मांग रहा, but by default auditor आपसे internal external issues का register मांगेगा ही मांगेगा. So please realize clause 4.1 की expectation क्या है? You need to have a register of internal issues and external issues. Things that could impact, फिर वापस conscience element की तरफ चले. ISO 9001 किस बारे में था? Your ability to meet customer requirement, your ability to meet legal requirement, you working at customer satisfaction, and you working at improvement. So anything that could negatively impact customer के requirement meet करने की मेरी ability को कैसे impact होगा? अगर मैंने customer के requirement सलीके से capture नहीं करी तो I will not be able to meet the customer requirement. If my legal requirements are not understood, if there is no clear definition of roles and responsibilities vis-a-vis the legal requirements, it can be done incorrectly. There could be certain external conditions जिससे मेरे customer requirement meet करने की ability को impact हो सकता है. So here, the only requirement that the standard mandates is that you must determine external and internal issues. But trust you me, मैं पिछले बहुत सालों से external audit में participant रहा हूँ. And all auditors will have very different questions. So when we read this entire standard, I will keep coming back to this segment to tell you what are the other building blocks that the auditor will look for. But for right now, all we need is a list of internal and external issues, nothing else. You should look at technological aspects, competitive aspects, market, cultural, social, economic environment, etc., to be able to get to that issues register. Let's meet in the next video.